Assalamualaikum dear students. As we already learned just time, now I'm going to teach you half past. I'm not going to make it lengthy for you. To make it easier, always remember that in clock, half past time, the minute hand, that means the tall hand, will always be at 6. The tall hand will always be at 6. It will not remove from there. So in half past, the minute hand will always indicate 6 and the hour hand, it will be in between 2 digits. It will be in between 2 digits. So you see, the minute hand it's indicating 6 and the hour hand it's between 9 and 10. That means this is half past 9. So if I go for half past 6, it will go where? Let's see. In half past, always remember the minute hand indicates 6 and the hour hand, that means the fat and smaller hand, will stay between 2 digits. As it is half past 6, the hour hand is between 6 and 7. That means this is half past 6. So if I go for half past 4, so where will it go? Half past 4. In half past 4, in half past, the minute hand indicates 6 and the hour hand stays between 2 digits, between 4 and 5. So this is half past 4. Okay, let's go for a books activity. In book page number 45, what we are going to do in exercise A, we have to draw the minute hands at half past 2. Half past 2. This hour hand is between 2 and 3, and in half past the minute hand will indicate directly 2. So this is half past 2. I hope you understand half past 2 and you can continue, you can complete the pages activities up to page 49. All the activities regarding just time and half past easy. Thank you all for watching me. Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. Today I'm going to discuss a new topic, that is clock. But as you know, as you have already learned in class 1, this is the review of class 1 actually. So before going to page work, that book work, I need to show you that clock. A clock has 3 hands. As you can see, there are 3 hands in a clock. But you know, as a beginner, we cannot use the second hand here, the third hand here. We don't need to actually. We just need to know how to write the time or tell the time. So before to do that, we need 2 hands. That is minute hand, these tall hands. These tall and fat hands, this is minute hand, and this fat and short hand, this is hour hand. So is it clear? The short and fat one is hour hand and the tall and the fat one is minute hand. So we are going to use these 2 hands here. So, you know, in just time, today we are going to learn just time and half past. So in these two, in just time actually, the minute hand always stays at 12. The minute hand always stays at 12. As you can see, it's at 12. In just time, the minute hand stays at 12. But in the hour hand, it moves from digits to digit. That means, look at here. This hour hand is indicating 5. So what time I can say? I can call it 5 o'clock. What is it? 5 o'clock. So So if I need to make it 3 o'clock, how can I make it? So I'm moving the hands here. Okay. Now look at here. You see? In the just time, the minute hand always stick to 12, but the hour hand, it moves from digits to digits. Now it is at 3. So what is the time? Can I say 5 o'clock? No, it's pointing to 3. So definitely I have to tell it this is 3 o'clock. Is it clear? Just time, always remember that. Just time, minute hand indicates 12 and the hour hand moves from digits to digits. Is it clear? Okay. So from page number 47, it's page 47. It's page 47, the number B, exercise number B. It's exercise B. The hands are not given here. I'm going to show you. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. As you can see, exercise B, 12 o'clock. So what can I do? As I already told, in just time, minute hand always indicates 12. Now what is it? It's 12 o'clock. That means the hour hand will indicate again 12. So how can I draw it? Just draw another small hand and draw an arrow here. So this is 12 o'clock. So if I go for another one, that means it's 6 o'clock. Exercise F. If it is 6 o'clock, how can I draw the hands here? As I know, in just time, the minute hand indicates 12. So the hour hand will indicate 6 itself. Is it clear, everyone? I hope it's clear. Now I'm going to discuss the half past. I'm going to discuss the half past here. So in half past, always remember that the minute hand will indicate 6. The minute hand will indicate 6. But the hour hand, it will not indicate any digit. It will be within 2 digits. It will be within 2 digits. So look at here, where is the hour hand here? Between 3 and 4. So I'm going to take it as half past 3. So how can I say it? It's half past 3. From book, we can do the activities of book, page 47. Here you can do exercise A. Exercise A. As we already learned that in half past time, it's in half past, what is it? Half past 12. Half past 12. In half past, the minute hand, the tall and fat hand will indicate 6, and the hour hand will be between 12 and, it will be between 12 and 1, as it is half past 12. That means half time of total time, half of the total time is gone already. So this is half past 12. So I can do another activity example here. It's number C. Exercise number C. Half past 6. So what is it? Half past 6. As we already know, the minute hand will indicate 6 in half past, and as it is 6, I will cross it because half time is already gone. So the hour hand will indicate the between of 6 and 7, the middle of 6 and 7. So what is it? It's half past 6. So I hope it's clear to you all. Always remember, in half past, the minute hand will indicate 6 and the hour hand will stick pointing to the between or middle of any 2 digits. Okay? I hope it's clear, and you can complete the activities from page 44 to 49. Finish all the activities regarding this half past and just time from page 40 to 49 by following my class. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.